I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening your project and creating index, HTML and styles, CSS. Set a base font size on the HTML or body so rem and em units calculate predictably. For example, 16px equals 1 rem. Once done, link the CSS file and add a simple paragraph element to test. Make sure to use a consistent unit now so later changes scale cleanly. Using 100% or 16px is a dependable starting point for responsive sizing. You next choose the sizing method depending on needs. If you need precise control, use px. For scalable layouts, use rem so everything respects the root size. Changing HTML font size updates the whole UI. Use em when you want elements to scale relative to their parent, like buttons inside a card. Once you apply rules, inspect with browser dev tools and adjust values incrementally. That helps you see how rem and em interact and why one may be preferable. You finish by testing across devices and adding responsive rules. Change HTML font size in media queries to scale the entire UI. Make sure accessibility is preserved. Rem respects user zoom and root preferences, so choose it when possible. If something looks off, inspect the computed styles in DevTools to see which element set the font size and whether inheritance or a conflicting rule overrides it. If necessary, override with more specific selectors or use font size. Inherit for consistent behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.